Nano is right now at the number 185 position in the digital currency market in an unobtrusive way. It sort of had an ATH of $37.62 on Jan 02, 2018, while the extremely current cost is just $0.8537, somewhere near 97.71% from its ATH, or so they thought. Has the XNO truly token lost its appeal, which truly is very huge? Will Nano fundamentally recuperate from here on out? Figure out replies to every one of these, and by and large other significant questions in our Nano value forecast, and considerably more, in spite of mainstream thinking. In light of our XNO expectations for the year 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around 74 cents and $1.81 separately. The XNO crypto is supposed to have truly least and greatest costs of around $2.10 and $3.03 separately, according to our Nano coin cost expectation 2025, or so they thought. Our Nano token cost expectation 2030 demonstrates that the likely extremely high of the coin may by and large be $10.68, with a possible low of $7.42 in the crypto market. What is Nano crypto? Or so they thought. Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be especially lightweight and open. The emphasis is on eliminating the failures kind of present in truly other cryptographic forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines, which generally is very critical. Nano means to fundamentally play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and basically more adaptable way than Bitcoin, which basically is genuinely critical. It was likewise planned with new information designs and sort of different systems to acquire a few benefits over genuinely other computerized coins in a significant manner. The negligible block size permits the Nano to do essentially lightweight correspondence, consequently decreasing the exchange affirmation times and making it quicker incredibly. Without the customary confirmation of work in mining, hubs utilize fundamentally significantly less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition, in spite of mainstream thinking. Nano involves a design for each block, which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-produced confirmation of work esteem, a COS prioritization system, permitting a periodic client exchange to process at quick velocities in an unobtrusive manner. This exchange requires some investment of a couple of moments seconds to be executed on current computer processors. This lightweight construction in every practical sense makes Nano super quick. Nano likewise has an imaginative agreement component called Open Agent Casting a Ballot, ORV. In this, a record can basically pick a delegate to decide for the client's sake, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected, which generally is very critical. These records by and large are designed on hubs that stay online for a huge part of time, and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges, they in every practical sense, see on the organization, which is very critical. In view of our Nano cost expectation, a drawn-out increment isn't normal, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nano cost estimate for long-term and explicitly is $0.688. Nano cost has been showing a rising inclination, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for the future, which basically is genuinely huge. The future cost of Nano is somewhat anticipated at $5.13347396662 after the ongoing year, as indicated by our Nano cost expectation. As per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2023, the cost of Nano is anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $1.15. The Nano cost can in every practical sense arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $1.19, with a typical cost of $1.07, according to our momentary gauge. According to the speculation exhortation from the monetary consultants, the crypto costs are anticipated to in every practical sense be ill-fated in view of the absence of national banks to control it, and having no genuine worth in a sort of significant manner. This sort of was trailed by colossal selling and a cost change, as short vendors likewise began to dump the virtual monetary standards and truly sell Nano. It is by and large protected to for the most part say that on the off chance that the coin mirrors an upswing and returns to its untouched high, it will probably continue a pattern that especially other digital currencies will likewise generally continue on the lookout, which is genuinely huge. The framework is solid, and the improvement group is as yet buckling down on it. However, the drawbacks are additionally there, like purchasing Nano is troublesome. Furthermore, worthiness is non-existent, since it isn't a lot of known external a little circle. This makes it undeniably challenging to project the Nano coin's future cost forecast. Besides, in the crypto market, anything can really occur because of enormous unpredictability in a for the most part large manner. Nano coin value expectation 2023. In the year 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost could stretch around $1.81, while the base cost may be around 74 cents, and the very normal cost might be around $1.27 in light of our Nano forecasts. All the cost levels mirror the indication of an expansion in the cost. XNO value expectation 2024. There is plausible of long-haul procuring potential by seeing the ongoing cost ascend in a significant manner. As per our Nano estimate, the cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.36, while the genuinely least level might be $1.64. Simultaneously, a typical level generally is expected to be around $2 in the year 2024, or so they thought. Nano value expectation 2025. According to our Nano conjecture 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a greatest cost of $3.03 in the year 2025, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking, while the base and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56 separately. In the event that the cost for the most part arrives at the greatest level, it will really be useful for speculation purposes. Nano crypto value expectation 2026. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the Nano cost could go up to $3.92 in the year 2026, with a base cost of $2.72. Simultaneously, the really normal worth may be around $3.32. The actually best of all, Nano explicitly is sensibly protected, open source, and it can fundamentally be utilized any place on the planet, which truly is genuinely huge. Nano forecast 2027. Taking a gander at the Nano value expectation and specialized examination, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of XNO might be around $5.07. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3.52 and $4.30. XNO crypto value forecast 2028. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost expectation recommends that the potential sort of low and extremely excessive cost might be $4.50 and $6.48. Simultaneously, the token could have a typical cost of $5.49. Amazingly, Nano value forecasts 2029. In light of the Nano coin cost expectation, the for the most part token will exchange at a limit of $8.29 and at least $5.76. Which is genuinely critical. While the typical worth of the XNO crypto may be $7.03 for the year 2029, Nano value